Hello friends, I am Rahul from Tequila Global Services. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up and use Einstein for Developers VS Code plugin. Einstein for Developers is AI-powered VS Code plugin which helps you to generate boilerplate Apex code. Basically, you write instructions in English and it will generate code for you based on the instructions provided. Let us see how to set it up. First of all, you need to do is you need to go to VS Code extension marketplace and search Einstein for developer and just install that. Once the installation is done, you need to go to your Salesforce Developer Sandbox or Salesforce Developer Edition org and enable this setting called Einstein for Developers. Make sure this checkbox is checked. Please note that this particular setting is available only in winter 2024 or later releases of the Salesforce orgs. So if it is not available for you, probably you will need to create a new developer edition org. Once you do that, you just need to do the regular setup, like set up your project, authenticate it, and start using the plugin. If you have an existing project, in that case, you will need to make sure that you re-authenticate the project after you enable the setting from Salesforce setup. Once the setup is done, you will be able to see Einstein sidebar on your VS Code. So it will be somewhere here. If it is not there, you can click on these three dots and you can see it right here. So once you click on that, you will be able to see this particular sidebar where you can write instructions and it will generate code for you. Also on the bottom right side, you can see this small little icon from where you can toggle the Einstein for Developer extension if you want to turn it off. If you see this particular icon in red color, it means that there is something wrong with your setup. So probably you will need to re-authenticate your org. So let us see with an example how to use this plugin. I want to write a batch Apex which will close all the open opportunities which are not edited within last 60 days. So I'm going to write instructions here and ask it to write the code for me. Let's see how it does. Okay, clearly it took my instructions and named the class that I wanted, and then also it has automatically written this condition like stage name is not equal to close one and close lost. What it is doing is it is getting all those opportunities and updating them with the stage as closed lost. I think it has done pretty good job. I'm very impressed. That is it guys. Thank you very much for watching.